What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the High Yield Investor. We're going to do our weekly update on our options trading income series. And let's see what it looks like this week. So, my Riot covered call expired. I did not assign, and then Iran. My Iran put did get assigned to me at $41.50. Everything else expired, worthless at the end of the week. So these are our new puts for this week. TQQ, one put at $49, paid us $54 in premiums. We had two 12.50 puts for Riot that paid us $24. We had one $13 put for Riot, paid us $21. We had a 25.50 for SoFi, paid us $37. And we did a 26 for SoFi, paid us $54. INQ, we did a $43 put, paid us $44. Applied Digital, we did a $20 put that paid us $22, and a $20.50 put, which paid us $27. And then SOXL, we did one $36 put that paid us $39. So that was $325 in premiums on the put side. Then we ran another covered call on Riot for $16, which paid us $16. And we did a covered call on Iran for $42, which paid us $41. So that was a total of $57 in call premiums for a total of $383.08 in premiums. So we'll add that to our year to date. If I can figure out how to get to it. Not sure what's going on here. Computer acting up. Huh. Well, can't get to it like that. Alright, we'll do it like this. Okay, so what was that total? 383.08. Now I ran the calls a little farther out of the money because we had a severe red day Friday, and Monday morning was also that way. So I was like, I'm going to push the puts a little farther out of the money so not be quite so aggressive. So the premiums are a little lower. This will be week 4 on the 15th. Oh, not 15. Alright, what's going on here? There we go. So that makes our total after 4 weeks. The $30,000 we started with, and we added $2,068 so far. 383 premium on week 4. Our drip calculator says we need to be at least 357, so we're ahead, even though I ran them closer to the strike price. So we're in good shape there. And I have $618 left over to go added to next week's premiums to trade. But all right, so I think that'll take care of it. That's where we're at after week 4. I've already made $2,000, so that's what? I don't know. Let's see, 10% would be No, we're not that high. But anyways, 30,000 divided by 2068. 2068, 66, 14%. It's like 7%. Yep, just under 7% return on our money after 4 weeks. I'll take that. My goal is to run my options at least make 1.15% per week, which multiplied by 52 weeks would be about 60% per year. So basically, I try to find a strike price that pays at least that. So this TQQ 4900 times 1.15% equals, so I'm a little bit low on that one. I would like to make a $56 premium, but I'm only making 54, so that's a little under. But that's 1250 riots. So anyways, the total of 25,800 times 1.15% equals $296 on the puts right there. So I'm making $325. So I'm over what I want. But if I can average over 1.15% per week, that will increase this. That'll be 60% per year, which at the end of a 3-year period will have us having premiums of $2,000 a week. So that's my goal. So we'll keep on coming back and see how it's going. But until next time, this is the High Yield Investor signing off.